welcome back to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Katrina, and on this channel I like to share my family of four's weekly grocery haul and meal plan, as well as what's for dinner videos, food prep, meal prep, dinner ideas, all kinds of things that happen in my kitchen. I like to share it here on my channel. So if you love that kind of content and you are always looking for dinner ideas, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss any of my future uploads. And also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up before we get into the video, because I appreciate it so much. It really helps out my channel. But before we get into today's meal plan, I just wanted to quickly remind or let you guys know, if you are new, that I do have a second channel called Katrina Marie, and that channel is full of all of my cleaning content. A lot of the time is spent in my kitchen as well over on that channel, but I do share a lot of like everyday messes and real life mess over there with deep cleaning and speed cleaning. A lot of it is sped up a lot, so you can see the before and after cleaning process a lot quicker. They are such satisfying cleaning videos. I love making them. So if you do like cleaning videos and watching that kind of thing on YouTube as well, definitely go ahead and hit the link in the description box down below if you did want to check out that channel. I would love to have you over there as well. But for now, let's go ahead and get into that meal plan, and I will let you know what we are having for dinner this week so that you can hopefully get some new dinner ideas out of it. So it is nighttime now. I did not get around to grabbing those groceries earlier like I wanted to, but for the meal plan this week, on Monday night we are having zucchini slice with salad. On Tuesday night we are having curried sausages and rice. Wednesday night is ravioli bolognese. Thursday night we're just going to have leftovers. On Friday night for Freezer Meal Friday, as usual, we're just going to be having some sheet pan vegetables with some crumb fish, just a whole bunch of stuff that's pre-prepped in the freezer. And then on Saturday night we're going to be having oven pizza with salad and garlic bread. And on Sunday night we were going to be going to my family reunion, except we are in lockdown again, so that has been cancelled. So I probably might still make a roast. We might go to the shops and grab some more stuff for that. But that is everything that is on our meal plan this week. I hope you got some new dinner ideas out of this one. I'm going to go ahead and unpack those groceries now and let you know what is in our grocery haul. So as always, if you did want to go ahead and take a guess at how much you think this grocery haul cost my family this week, leave your comment down below and I will let you know the price at the end as usual. But the first thing that I grabbed this week was just a packet of crumpets. They were half price this week. The next thing that I grabbed this week was this bag of frozen broccoli and cauliflower. I normally like to stock up on the frozen veg and I get like 10 bags at a time, normally about once a month, maybe twice a month, but we do still have quite a bit in the freezer at the moment, so I only grabbed one bag. I also grabbed a bunch of cereal this week. We had run out and I really needed to stock up on that for the kids, so I grabbed 2 boxes of the Messy Monkeys chocolate cereal. I also grabbed one of the big Nutri-Grain cereals. That was half price this week, I'm pretty sure. It was in the catalog on special anyway. And then I also grabbed my 3-year-old's favorite Milo cereal, so we have plenty of that now for the next few weeks. I grabbed a packet of sausages this week for the curried sausages that we're having. Now I've said it before, but these herb and garlic ones are so good. I did go ahead and try like a more expensive brand sausage when these were sold out once, and they tasted awful. They had so many like hard gristly bits in it, so I definitely just recommend getting these every single time. We are absolutely obsessed with this flavor. I also went ahead and grabbed some zucchinis for the zucchini slice that I'm making this week. For some snacks, I went ahead and grabbed our usual mini rice cakes with the triple berry yogurt on it. Then I also grabbed these Harvest Snaps, the baked peas in the original salted flavor. My kids love these as well. Another snack that my 4-year-old is absolutely obsessed with are these Frisp Crisps. So there's the strawberry ones and also the banana ones, and they're just freeze-dried fruit. The banana ones are sliced up, but the strawberries are left whole. He loves these so much. I usually love to grab these when they're on special, but to be honest, there wasn't really many specials this week, or not many specials that I would normally pick up myself. So I went ahead and grabbed these anyway at full price. They're $3 a bag, so they are super expensive, but I grabbed those anyway, so he's going to be happy to see them tomorrow. I've grabbed a huge 4-kilo bag of potatoes this week for a couple meals. I was going to go ahead and grab the 2-kilo bag, but the 4-kilo bag was actually 20 cents cheaper to buy than the 2-kilo bag, so it really made no sense to buy less when I could have got more for my money. So I grabbed the 4-kilo bag. Another thing that I grabbed this week, which I don't normally get, is a slab of water bottles. But I find because we don't drink like cans and soft drink and like, you know, cordial and things like that and juice, we don't have anything to give guests when they come over. Not that we have a lot of guests lately with everything in the pandemic and lockdowns and things that are going on, but I thought that these would be perfect. They were half price this week, which was a major factor in what made me grab them. I also grabbed a 2-litre A2 light milk that we always get, Again, these continental macaroni cheese and chicken curry pasta snacks were half price, so they were $1.10. So I grabbed 4 of the macaroni and cheese and 4 of the chicken curry pasta snacks. So we have a ton of them in the cupboard now, so that's just going to make for easy lunches and also easy sides. Next thing that I grabbed was a couple condiments for the cupboard. I just grabbed some smooth peanut butter. That was half price this week, and I also grabbed just some strawberry jam. I grabbed that cinnamon donut flavored bread from Coles last week, but to be honest, I probably won't buy that loaf of bread again. It was a lot, especially for the morning. I'd probably rather have raisin toast, but yeah, I probably wouldn't buy it again. But if you do buy it, definitely go ahead and add some jam onto it. The cash register lady that scanned up all the food actually suggested to me to do that, and I'm so glad she did, because I probably wouldn't have liked them without jam on them. They definitely needed that little extra flavor. For fruit this week, we just grabbed the usual kilo box here of red apples. I also grabbed a bunch of bananas. I also grabbed a punnet of strawberries as well. The kids are starting to like these again. And the price of strawberries has gone down lately. They are down to $3.90 at both Woolworths and Coles, which is way cheaper than the usual $5.50 that we have been paying lately. I also grabbed 2 salads this week. I just grabbed these little Caesar salad kits that we love. Another snack for the kids, I just grabbed these vanilla yogurt covered rice cakes, just like the berry ones. My youngest absolutely loves these. Another thing that I grabbed this week, as I said, we were going to be going to my family reunion, so I did go a little crazy on the snacks to make sure that we had plenty for the car ride. And I think it's like a 4-hour drive, 2 hours there, 2 hours back, so I definitely wanted to make sure that we had plenty. But I grabbed 4 of these apple, pear and cinnamon porridge pouches. She does love these anyway, so she will still get through them, but we definitely didn't need this many considering we are not going anywhere now because of lockdown. One thing that I'm always happy to see for half price is these Nescafe coffee sachets that I get. So I thought I would grab the latte ones and the sugar-free lattes to try. I haven't tried the latte ones at all. And then I also grabbed my usual cappuccino decafs. I got 3 boxes of those, and I grabbed 2 boxes of just the normal cappuccino ones. So I am stocked up for a while now, but they were half price, down to $3.15 a box. So I always like to make sure that I grab those when they are on special. I went ahead and grabbed a big bag of the kale, leaf and spinach power greens mix this week. I haven't grabbed this in a couple weeks. We did have some in the freezer, but now that's all used up. I had to grab another bag, and this will be plenty to get us through the whole week. It's 300 grams, so that doesn't sound like much, but it is a ton. As usual, I made sure to grab a loaf of our low GI white bread that we always get, and I also grabbed these Messy Monkeys whole grain bites in the burger flavor. I grabbed them for my 4-year-old for the road trip, but they will still get eaten anyway. They were half price in the catalog, which is a major reason that I did pick those up. I grabbed a little bottle of cream here. We have a few frozen desserts in the freezer that I've been stocking up on every time that they go half price, but I realized we don't have any cream, so I grabbed a little bottle of cream there. I have grabbed like long life cream before, but it's just not the same, so I did grab this one. It's good till the 3rd of August, so I'm sure we will eat one of the desserts in that time. And then one thing that I grabbed this week that I don't ever really see on special is cheese. It doesn't matter what type of cheese it is. I feel like it's never on special, but I just grabbed 2 packets of these singles cheese. I grabbed a light 25% less fat packet and then an original packet, but they were $3 off a packet. I'm pretty sure they were down from $7.50 to $4.50, which is an amazing saving for cheese if you ask me. I really don't see cheese on special very often, so I did make sure to grab 2 packets of those and stock up. I did go ahead and grab 2 boxes of the Little Ones wipes this week, and the reason that I did that is because there was a discount code in the catalog. It was SAVE, S-A-V-E in capitals, and that was for $10 off if you spent $170, and I didn't quite spend that this week, so I thought I can always use these, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 boxes. They're $10 a box, and that brought the total up just enough, and I think I've almost given away the price of the grocery haul by saying that. But anyways, that is everything that is in the grocery haul this week. So if you haven't gone ahead and left your guess down below, go ahead and do that now, because I'm going to go ahead and let you know the price. So this week's groceries originally cost $178.59, but then with the discount code, and you also have to pay $1 for the bags, it came to $169.59. So I did get that $10 saving by buying those wipes. And I just wanted to mention for anyone who is new here, if you're wondering why I get people to guess how much you think these groceries are, is because the prices are so different all around the world, and I always find it so interesting, especially if you're not in Australia, to hear your guesses and how much you think our groceries cost over here. So if you got close to 169, or if you guessed the original price 178, definitely go ahead and let me know in the comments how close you got. Okay friends, so that is everything that is in my weekly grocery haul and meal plan this week. I hope you got some new dinner ideas out of today's video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and also don't forget to check out my cleaning channel if you have time today, or if you love cleaning videos, go check it out. It's in the description box down below. I have a few videos coming soon. I'm working on some so that I can start getting them out weekly again. I have fallen behind a little bit over there on that channel, but they are coming soon. So definitely head on over there, subscribe, and stick around and wait for those. I would really appreciate it. But I hope you are all having a really great week, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you back here again really soon with a brand new video. Bye.